Hi, my name is Shikha Gupta. I just completed my block printing masterclass with Qyaari by Penkraft, and it was an amazing experience. And this is all because of our instructor, that is founder and managing director of Penkraft Ideas Private Limited, Pallavi Desai. It was so nice of her. And the best part about this class was that we got to know about the history of authentic block printing. It just made us feel so special about this class, and the hands-on experience which allowed us to create our own designs, which I personally thought I would never. But Pallavi ma'am's personalized attention and genuine feedback made all the difference. In this block printing masterclass by Qyaari, highly recommend this block printing masterclass with Qyaari by Penkraft to all those people who are exploring their creative sides. Whether you are a beginner or you have some experience, when you leave this class, when you complete this class, I am pretty sure you will leave feeling inspired with this newfound appreciation of this beautiful art form that is block printing. Thank you, Qyaari by Pencraft and Pallavi ma'am, for such a beautiful experience. This will be the best part of my life.